Back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I hope my voice is coming out. I want us to go through different Prime Minister Samuel Ekpa on his S handle. Let us, react to some of the important things that is making trending today. And I would like to start with the video, the screenshot that he just made. As of the time of recording this video, this is just 17 minutes. And he said this, which is what we are seeing on your screen at the moment. The Biafran government hereby distance itself from this saboteurs group from today, 2nd of November 2024. Everything about this group is banned from this moment. The name is prohibited from associating with me and Biafran government. One may want to know who is the group. I mean, which group is PM talking about here? And I tried to search on this name, Biafran's our home. Biafra is our home. That is the what I can see here. But so the group is all about sharing about what PM says and all that. But why is it that PM feels so bad about this group at the moment? As you can see here, I'm not advertising any group. I'm just trying to show you what PM said. Okay, I think I got the wrong group, to be honest with you. When I started, I think the one that I saw has Ojuku as the picture, but this one here have a different. So after this, I will try to look them up again, because they share this. This is just as of the time PM take the screenshots. What we can see here is 6 hours ago. Breaking: 100 Gemma notes unveiled by the Ministry of Finance, Biafran Republic government in exile, headed by its ministry, Honorable Ugochukwu Negel. That is, he said that that this note is being unveiled. 100 Gemma is being unveiled by Biafran Ministry of Finance. Do you understand it? And I think they just bypassed the protocol and published this, which I don't know if is a real 100 Ejema or something like that. But PM, screenshot it and said this. Biafran Republic government in exile. According to what they said here, I'm still reading the post. Biafran Republic government in exile, ably headed by its minister, Honorable Ugochukwu Negel. Indeed, Biafran government, BRGIE, are people's government and remain the best so far in the history of black race. So PM did not, this post did not go down well with the PM, and he banned the group instantly. Okay, that is the breaking news as of the time I'm recording the video. As you can see, where when we started it was 17 minutes, now it's 21 minutes. So before then, there's another post that PM said, this is for latecomers. So I'm not gonna go about the latecomers post. Latecomers will be the one to go through, unless if it's something vital, then of course we share that. But this one is PM just want to remind people of what Biafran has gone, what they have conquered. And he said an interesting thing here, which some of us are not aware of, that Akpabio is working, seriously on how to use juju to do one or two things, do abracadabra. And PM said, Akpabio, that's the Senate president of Nigeria today. Akpabio, if your Senate presidency came from Indian juju, na me go end them. Let me go end them. So we are still on the Twitter reaction. Why PM made that post? Because he made a post before then, and that post is what we are seeing on the screen now, which is breaking: the criminal Senate president of the terrorist state of Nigeria, Akpabio, is leading the delegation of Juju people to India against Simon Ekpa and December 2nd declaration. But I will be waiting for you people in India, my country home. I will tell you that Juju get level. Akpabio, you will get my message soon. I am watching your meeting and planning in the mirror. Once you leave Nigeria for this mission, I will start my own. None of you will come back to Nigeria. That is very serious issue. And they're going to do juju against another person, against PM, against reference. And like PM said, none of them are going to come back, in peace. Or maybe they're going to end there. He said, he said, he said. Now, PM also made another post. Remember, we are still on Twitter reaction. We are going through some of the important information, okay, of the hour, like from PMS handle. Announcement: Biafrans around Awo should be very, very vigilant from today, the 2nd of November 2024. The Biafran Liberation Army will be carrying out the highest offensive against the terrorists they are deploying with the help of the Odimma also. So Biafrans in Awo must be very security conscious and stay away from anything close to the terrorist base. That is all you can hear. And people will still ignore this, and they clear they instead of them to take this warning serious, they prefer to clear their throat on how to rant on social media using the gullible ones, using the people that have vowed not to support anything good in life to do the abracadabra. And that is why Biafrans need to, say it the way it is. Okay? And PM also remind people, of what happened in the past by playing the video of this young man, trying to remind people when they list out people they want and all that. How many of you remember that PM also ban many of these people that are carrying themselves out today, that carrying themselves around saying that they are this, that, including the president of Nigeria today was banned, was he made his name appeared in a list of different government most wanted terrorists. And that is what this person is saying here. And I'm not gonna allow I'm gonna allow him to say it so that you can hear.
These people they talk about us. Hey, listen.
Just let me start.
Okay,
Let's start from the beginning.
As it stands now, they say federal government don't declare Simon Ekpa wanted. They say now Simon Ekpa, now they direct people where they terrorize Nigeria, so they don't declare Simon Ekpa wanted. Since then, until now. But right now, the main news where you go out you be say Simon Ekpa don't declare 9 persons wanted. He can't list that name. He can't list Tinubu as the number 1. He declared President Tinubu wanted. He declared Vice President Kashik Shettima wanted. And he can't declare 7 other persons. Showing there can't be 9. Now Simon Ekpa declare wanted now for Nigeria. Now I can't ask the question, say, wetin go make Simon Ekpa declare a whole president wanted? Any country dey, I never understand whether country dey the world wey be say ordinary military person. Well, Simon Ekpa is also a politician, but why will he declare president wanted, can't declare vice president wanted, can't also declare even the chief of army staff wanted, and declare other 6 persons wanted? I could dey discover say, I no fit even figure out wetin dey happen, my country people. But he can't choose him and talk and say, he declared they wanted based on say wetin dey happen for southeast. He say make I level up, una understand already. So wetin una think for this declaration wey Simon Ekpa declare all these people wanted? Simon Ekpa dey right abi e dey wrong? Make una leave am below the comment section, because I no wan talk too much at all here. If I say make I deliberate on this matter, una know say they don dey find us already. In short, we don dey their list. Say these people wey dey talk about us, listen, okay, the Bobo, Parada, very dark man now dey present. You understand? So make I not good talk so. The guy don declare they wanted now, but I wonder why he go declare president himself wanted. Make una share this video.
Leave Abuja terrorists in Biafra land to buy our people and go to Abuja. We chose how we fight Nigeria, not you choosing for us. And that is a very good answer. Even if you want, if you think that going to Abuja is the best way, my brothers and sisters, you have to like start going. Anyway, and here is a confession according to what PM said here. Confession: Chinasa Woro confirmed that they know about kidnapped of Mas Namoricano.
Because our leaders I am not telling you, ask Palestine. Did any governor told him that they are rounding up on Mazen Namdekano? Ask, I don't want to mention some names, but there are people. I got this. Yeah, there are people before that time when they had that meeting in Enugu where all the governors gathered. That was the day the meeting was sealed. Because our leader somehow is also he had his own mind. You understanding me? Even if you give him a security tip, sometimes you all had it. So I am not telling you ask Palestine your phone.
So this is information that Biafrans are aware of, and PM is just trying to remind us about it because those that are pushing for propaganda and internet war, they forgot what is playing out. They forgot what is really going on. They don't care actually. Sometimes they pretend after messing up, after exposing themselves, they want you to forget about it and turn your eyes away from it. Why they will turn around to give instructions on what to believe and what to hear. These are people who claim they know everything to the extent that they, in their own little mind, they believe they have the power and authority to filter what you're supposed to hear and what you're supposed to know. That is our mindset. Anyway, still on Ihiala in Anambra State, the video you are watching now, come from there. At the end, peace will return when Nigerian terrorists, Nigerian Army Police, and co has been vindicated. So they have to be vindicated from our land. They have to be evicted. Sorry, they have to be evicted from our land, like the way people are walking peacefully without panicking. Do you understand? This short video means a lot, to be honest with you, which PM is saying here, because even though they are burning the vehicles down, but yet the land is happy. The people are happy because they trust everything coming out from different division army. Now listen, this is another video. Let me open it properly so that listen. So that is what is going on there, and you can see people are rejoicing over that. So that is it. That is Twitter reaction for now. Of course, more will come your way because we see this is just the beginning of the part of the beginning of the day, and we have to follow it little by little. And I want you to tell me what you think about the banning of this people, this organization that PM, shared with us here. Banning of them. What do you think about it? Let me open it again so that you can see. This Biafra is our home, and the handle could be Biafran is our home, one word. And maybe you can try it on your own and see the outcome. Now, just as I'm recording the video, another update surfaced. So I'm gonna add it here, of course. PM just posted this. This is just 1 minute, 1 minute ago, and you are going to hear this. You are going to hear this.
CIA. Some said
Listen.
Internet don't catch fire. Internet don't catch fire because of December 2nd, the declaration of the restoration of the independent state of Biafra. Race to stop it have taken a new turn. It seems like the federal government don't pump money to our brothers. Make them stop their own brother for actualizing the restoration of Biafra. That thing they say they are fighting for. You know, some of them said Master Simon Ekpa is a CIA, working with CIA. Some said the ID card the Master Simon Ekpa printed is fake. Some said Master Simon Ekpa is scamming us. Where do we stand? Master Simon Ekpa is scamming us. Meanwhile, we have seen everything the Master Simon Ekpa is doing with the money Biafrans are donated. During your own time, we haven't seen anything. So say, I don't know, quarrel upon quarrel. Squandering money upon squandering. This government now, have you ever heard where somebody come out and tell you, oh, money has been squandered? Have you ever heard whenever anytime somebody, one person has come out and say, okay, this money, you are looking for this money, or you misuse the money this way or that way, because they are men and women of integrity.
So my people, let me just pause this video now and remind you to like the video and comment, because most of you just watch and go. Please like the video. Use this opportunity to click on the like button and share, comment, and tell us where you're watching from. Subscribe to the channel. Let's continue. Please do me a favor and support us in any way you can. Most especially liking it and sharing the video is very, very important. And thank you so much for your time, because we are going to come to an end of the video after this. Thank you for watching and supporting everything you have done. I appreciate that. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.
The integrity is more important to them than the personal ego. That's why you see those working with the Biafra government in exile are all learned people. English is okay. Understand? This one say ID card is fake. This one say it's eating money. Some are bringing old video. Those old video where they see when they bring all those things when I accuse man Simon. Those things are things he passed. Those things are things their method used to stop you people. If he hadn't used that method, it very difficult. So you have to use that method. Oh, I'm very angry. Why would I do like this? For God's sake. Federal government are working now. How can I continue? How can see how it could take end? But if you pay on Simon in this December, you cannot stop it.